Hey everyone, welcome back. If Meta AI features are missing, do not worry. This usually happens due to updates or region limits. First, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Meta AI, and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version because new features are hidden in updates. Next, check if you're logged in into your account properly because some features needs login. Now, restart your app and check again. If features are still missing, it may not be available in your region yet, so you may need to wait for a rollout. Also, try using Meta AI in apps like WhatsApp or Instagram where features are available or may appear earlier. Now you understand why Meta AI features may be missing. Do not worry. Thanks for watching and see you in the